Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for March 23rd. This is Outside Sudoku by Bill Murphy. I am Philip Newman. And we have normal Sudoku rules. We also have some clues outside the grid, but normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 each row, column, and 3x3 box. The clues outside the grid tell us digits that must go in the first 3 cells in the direction away from the clue. So these 3 cells in this case. These 3 for this clue, these 3 for this clue, and so on. And those are the rules. So when you have 3 digits in outside Sudoku for all the clues, this is effectively a pencil mark Sudoku, just without the pencil marks provided. So we know 1, 2, 3 go somewhere in these 3 cells. Since we have 3 digits, we have to have all 3 of them in those 3 cells, so nothing else can go there. And now if we look over here, we need 2, 3, 4, but 2 and 3 can't go in this cell. So this must be 4, and we have a 2, 3 pair. Now we need 1, 3, 4 in these cells, but we can't have 3 or 4 because they're up here. So this is 1. And then we need 1, 2, 4, but we have 1 and 4 here. So this is 2 with a 1, 4. And the 1 and 2 look up here to make this 3. We're going to do the same thing with the other clues. So these are 5, 6, 7. These are 6, 7, 8. So this is an 8. And these are 6 and 7. This is 5, 7, 8. This has to be 5 because we have a 7 and an 8 here. These are 7 and 8. These are 5, 6, 8. We have a 5 and 8 here. So this is 6, 5 and 8. And then the 6 and 5 look up to make this 7. And then for our last 4 clues, we have 2, 3, 9 here, but now we have a 2 and a 3 already. So that's our 9. Here we have 3, 8, 9. And this one we can't resolve yet. Here we have 1, 7, 9. And again, I don't think we can resolve this one quite yet. And this one is 1, 6, 9. So this one got us started. The rest of them we're going to have to do a little more work. Now, because we had 2 clues in box 1, we know what the digits are in the remaining 3 cells. Same for box 3, box 9, box 7. So we can fill those in. These are going to be 4, 9, and 8. That's not 9. That's not 8. I don't know why I said 9 and 8 in that order. Just did. These are 1, 5, and 9. So this is not 5, this is not 9, and this is not 1. And you can see either we're going to get a digit from this, or we're going to eliminate 1 from each, because we know all the digits in these rows. They're going to look across. This we need 2, 6, and 9. And we have a 2 here, we have a 6 here, we have a 9 here. And I can see already this 2, 6, 9 is looking at this cell. We can't have 6 and 9 here. This is 1. Makes this a 9. This is 6. The 1 looks over here to give 4 and 1. The 4 was there already, and I just missed it. Oh, I hadn't gotten there yet. These are 3, 7, and 9. So it's not 9. And the 9 looks up to make 4 and 9. The 8 and the 9 look at this cell for 3 and 9 and 8. The 9 gives us 1 and 5 and 9. What else can we see here? 2, 6, 9 look here, so that's not 9. So the only place for 9 is here. We have 9 in these cells. Alright, these are 5, 7, and 8. This one is not 8. These are 5, 6, 7, and this one's not 7 from here. We're going to have a similar pattern. These are also 5, 6, 7. We've got 6 down here, and these are less known. Alright. What about these? We have a 3 there, so 2, 3. These are 1, 6, and 7, and then these are known. They're 2 and 4. Alright. I'm sure I'm missing something like this. There's a 7 there, so this is 3 and 7. And the 3 here gives us 2 and 3. The 2 gives us 1 and 2. Here we need 1, 4. Here we need 5, 6, and 8. We do have a 1 here, though, so that's 4 and 1. And I'm doing this in a terrible order, but it's okay. It works out. 7, 1, and 6. 7 there, 5 and 6. Alright, these are 2 and 4. These are 3, 5, and 8. We have 3 and 8 here. So this is 5, this is 8 and 5, and this is 3. This is 7 and 8. Alright, let's look here. We need 2, 3, 4, and 8. This can only be 4 or 8. This is 2, 3, or 8. Isn't super helpful. These are 1, 2, 4, and 6. This is not 1, this is not 1. So this is the only place for 1 in the box. These are 2, 4, 6. No, it's not a 4. 3 in this row. Can't go here, so it's here. 2, 4, and 8. Now we have all the even digits here, so these are 5, 7, and 9, which we could have also seen from the 2 here. This is not 9, this is not 7 or 9, so this is 5, 7, 9 in that order. We get a 6 and an 8 here, we get a 5 and a 7, and 5 and 6. The 6 looks over for 2. Now we have a 4, 8 here, so this is the last place for 2, 4, 2, 4, and that makes this a 6. Alright, we need 2, 3, 4, 8. 3 of those here. That gives us 8, 4, 8. And we need 2 and 3 here. We need 4, 5, 6. It's not 4, that's not 5, that's also not 5, and it's not 6. So it's 4, 6, 5 in that order. The 6 gives us 2, 9, and 6. 4 gives us 3 and 4. 2 and 3. This is 1. This is now 7, 9, 7, 8. That is how you solve outside Sudoku. Hope you enjoyed that. Let us know how you did.